In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your events calendar. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then click on Collaboration. Go to your new top menu bar and select Events. You should be taken to your current month's calendar. Right now, if I scroll down, I can see I have quite a few upcoming events. If I want to see the details for one of these events, I can click on that event, and I can see the dates, the times, the title, any notes. If I had not been the person who created this event, that's all I would be able to do. I could just look at it. The Save and Delete buttons would not appear. However, I did create this event, so those buttons are there. To exit out of an event's details, click Close. If you scroll back up, let's say that I don't want to look at this month, but last month. I can go to the top of the calendar and use the backward arrow to view November. I could also go forward, or if I want to return to today, I can click on Today. That's how you can navigate back and forth in your events calendar. There are 4 ways you can view your calendar. To the upper right of the calendar, you have day, week, month, and list. If I want to view a specific day, I can click on Day, and then use the forward or backward arrows to go to the day I want to view. If I go forward, my first event is on the 17th. I could do the same thing by clicking on Week. Now I'm viewing 1 week at a time, or I could return to month, or go to the list. That's how you can view your events calendar. Check out the next video to learn how to view your messages.